Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Motorola Moto X40 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings and then scroll down just a little bit to find the wallpaper. As you can see here, we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we've got My Photos, stylized, dynamic and curated images. Here we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen, so we can always check which wallpaper we've got currently set. So let me pick something from those options maybe. And as you can see right now, we have to tap on the change wallpaper. And again, we've got some albums. So again, My Photos, on-device wallpapers, solid colors, seascapes and live wallpapers. So let me pick something from those maybe. Let me pick this one. And as you can see here, we can check the preview of the home screen. We can also tap on the lock screen and you will be able to see how it will look like. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on the stick icon here. And as you can see, we've got the information that the wallpaper has been set successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Motorola Moto X40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.